Let's get started. MHS Dev. Learn, Build, Inspire. In the previous lectures, what we have done: designed splash and onboarding screens, built login screen with Hive integration, implemented form validation and developed register screen, fixed block issues and set up Firebase SDK. If you missed any part, the playlist link is in the description. Go check it out. Today, we're diving into Firebase authentication in Flutter. Let's go. Now we are adding two key folders in our architecture: domain and data. The auth-repo abstract class defines authentication methods without implementation, keeping logic separate from data storage. This ensures flexibility, allowing easy switching between authentication services like Firebase or others. In the data folder, we have the repository implementation folder, where we implement the abstract repository classes from the domain layer. This is where we write the actual logic for fetching and storing data, whether from an API, a database, or another source. Implementing the sign-up user method using Firebase authentications create user with email and password to register users. After successful sign-up, user details like name and email are stored in Firestore, ensuring they can be accessed and displayed on the dashboard in the future. In register block, we pass auth-repo through the constructor to access its abstract sign-up user method. This allows register block to handle user registration while keeping authentication logic separate and maintainable. We're adding the Getit package for dependency injection, allowing us to register and access instances like auth-repo globally. This keeps the code clean, improves maintainability, and avoids manually passing dependencies, making the app more scalable. Added the sign-up user method in register block, which updates the isLoading state to manage the sign-up process. While signing up, isLoading is set to true, and a circular progress indicator replaces the sign-up text in the elevated button. Once the process is complete or fails, isLoading is set back to false to restore the button text. Added a custom snack bar in the helper class to handle authentication errors, providing instant feedback when login or sign-up fails. If you're facing an error while storing data in Firestore, open your Firebase project, go to Firestore Rules, and update them like this. We faced Firestore issues and updated the rules, but the sign-up process was working correctly, so the email was already created in Firebase Authentication. First, delete the existing email from Firebase Authentication, then rerun the project and check if the data is being stored properly. In the next video, we'll cover user sign-in and create a temporary dashboard screen to navigate after login or sign-up. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.